Hello, this is the exciting new trailer for our new series, which is a series of machine learning mini tutorials. It stems from a need for better training at Uniqtech. As you know, I have been using my personal YouTube channel, which is this channel for Uniqtech tutorials. Uniqtech has been doing really well on Medium. We now have our own subdomain at uniqtech.medium.com. Please follow us and clap to support us. This is also an exciting year that Uniqtech gets to welcome a group of 4 talented Stanford interns working on their own projects. And these tutorials aim to help the internet as well as our own interns to be better at machine learning tasks, with a focus on data cleaning, and some of the advanced topics will come later. We'll also have some exciting guests. They may or may not want to publish their video on YouTube, but we can definitely engage in some meaningful discussions about machine learning in the real world. Possibly more focused on deep learning than classical machine learning. So excited, subscribe and like. It's going to help the channel a lot. There's going to be a great amount of content this month as well as for 2021. I hope we can make some great tutorials for YouTube to start the new year. So if your new year resolution is to learn machine learning, this might be an exciting year for you. All these contents are exclusive for this channel only, as well as our own Medium channel. We kindly ask you not to repost and use it for other purpose.